Hey, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because Germany is finally opening up again and we are able to travel to Spreewald and do our yearly weekend trip. And I think that's pretty exciting because that's the first trip in about 7 months. And yeah, we are meeting a bunch of friends there and hopefully having a great time. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Like it's something in the air at that time, don't know why. Always dream of you.
Because the weather wasn't going to be so good this weekend in the limited time we have, we made the decision to start our adventure with a boat ride.
Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
As the day came to an end and the new one was approaching, we planned a bike ride to some old playgrounds from our childhood.